My name is Barbara Steinberg. I'm the founder and owner of PDX Reading Specialist, and I'm so excited that the Oregon Department of Education has released the list of approved providers for Oregon's literacy grant, and I'm on it. Since 2015, I've worked with educators in more than 80% of Oregon school districts to provide comprehensive dyslexia-related training. And although that training provided one educator with an incredible amount of knowledge and tools and strategies to teach beginning reading, the Oregon Literacy Grant provides an opportunity for all educators to receive that knowledge. We know professional learning is at the heart of being able to translate curriculum into practice. And I'm honored to be part of the esteemed list of providers and hope that I'll have the opportunity to chat with you to learn more about how I can support your teachers in delivering evidence-based instruction. Every child deserves a teacher who's trained in the science of reading, and every child deserves an opportunity to learn how to read. I will be coming forward with more details, but I wanted to introduce myself and invite you to explore my website to learn more about me, and I look forward to being in touch soon.